Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Prasad P. I'm pursuing PGDM from FMS IRM Jaipur. Today I'm here to present case study based on the speedy sale. At first, I would like to introduce relevant facts about my case study. First one, Bernie, a customer at a discount outlet, is very eager to buy a new color TV set to replace his broken TV so that he can resume watching his favorite TV show. Second, Sam, the salesperson who is waiting on Bernie, is interested in will be on sale in 3.5 weeks but doesn't inform Bernie of this fact, figuring that Bernie will take his business elsewhere and he will not reap as large a commission. Third, Sam discovered that Bernie is not even willing to wait an extra week to take delivery on the set. Fourth fact, Sam asks his manager Michelle if delivery can be hastened. She says no and suggests selling the demonstrate model to Bernie. Last one. Sam decides that wouldn't be honest and instead is thinking of telling Bernie that the TV will be available within 2 days and delivering it in 5 days. Who are the primary stakeholders in the case study? Sam, the salesperson for an outlet. Bernie, Sam's customer for the television set. Michelle, the sales manager of the outlet. And TV manufacturers. These four are the primary stakeholders in the case study. What are the ethical issues in this case study? Uh, the ethical issue is in duty not to mispresent. That means what is the seller duty to inform the buyer all condition of the sale? Yes, truth telling is always compulsory. What are the possible alternatives? Some could try to convince Bernie that waiting a week will be well worth it. Some could go along with Michelle if he can try to sell Bernie the demonstration model right now, possibly at the reduced price. Some could promise Bernie two-day delivery even though it will take a week. Next, some could ask Michelle if Bernie can be offered a monetary incentive for having to wait a week. Next, ask Bernie if he can still wait for the television for almost a week, promise that they will provide the best they can. And last one, Bernie can look in the other outlets for television set. These are the possible alternatives in this case study. And next, I would tell about what are the ethics of alternatives. Ethics of alternative is some will not disappointed Bernie even though the television will be delivered after 5 days. Bernie can find television in from other outlet. These two are the ethics of alternatives. At last, I would like to tell about what are the best solution for this case study. Some should be honest to Bernie to avoid some issues in the outlet and so that Bernie will find other outlet of television if he cannot wait anymore. This is the best solution for this case study. Thank you.